Yeah, I'm coming. What do you want me to do? Where the f is this big brown bear? You seriously want to go work there? Like guys touch all over you and shit? What do you want me to do? She's gonna be 18 in a week and I can't stop her from working at the strip club. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how to get her in school. Coming right now. I'm on my way. Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay. What? What do you want? What do you want? You want to mess with me too? Why are you guys starting trouble for?
Coffees, I brought you your car!
I'm surprised it's still up there. Oh yeah, he's going like 40 with coffee on the top of the car.
I don't understand.
Maybe that's where he wanted it. Maybe that's where it sits. You know, there's like a place for it.
Bigger shit to deal with right now.
No.
It's gotta be the same guy.
It's on your roof! Your coffee's on your roof!
Oh, my coffee? How's it going? Okay, see you later. What? Oh, okay, I'll get them later. Thank you. What's wrong with these people, man? Yo, hey. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Look at this idiot.
Coffee on your roof.
Coffee on your roof.
Okay, it's okay.
You don't even care.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whoa, whoa.
My God.
Oh, it's cool, man. Oh, hey, it's a prank. See you guys. Oh, okay, thank you.
Your coffee's on top of your car.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Hey, coffee's on top of your car.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Okay, you're good. Okay. Oh, you have a menu, sir?
Oh, the menu? Yeah.
Oh, look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. What's wrong with this guy?
Stop!
Oh, you got coffee up on your roof.
Oh, coffee?
How the f is that coffee staying up there?
Why didn't you tell me something, man? Jesus Christ.